This video is all about how to withdraw on Grow network. Okay, we have been farming this airdrop for some period of time now, for some months now. Okay, so I want us to understand one thing. That's the reason why I'm here, to help you understand why you have not been able to place a withdrawal. Some of you are asking me, I've gotten 500 Grow network. I can't place a withdrawal. I can't do this. I can't do that. Now, this is their Twitter handle. Let's read their information. This information, okay, look at here. 4 days ago, let's read this information. I don't like saying things without evidence. So it said, our withdrawals are processed automatically by the system. We cannot manually select who received them first. Once an account is cleared, the withdrawal is sent right away. So please hold tight, stay patient, and most importantly, stay excited. Do you hear that? All right, let's go down about withdrawal update. He said, dear Grow Network family, congratulations, we have successfully sent another $2,800 as part of our third batch of August coin withdrawals. For those still waiting, please don't worry. You will receive an update on the evening of the 15th. Okay, now this update will explain whether your withdrawal was rejected or is still pending due to issues such as incorrect wallet address, a common issue we have noticed. Now, I want us to know this. For you to be able to withdraw from your Grow network, there are criteria you need to meet or met, okay, for you to be able to place the withdrawal. And I want us to know that withdrawal happens on every 15th of every month. Like this September, now we are past 15th of September, I think. Now, for you to place, you keep mining. You make sure you mine up to 30 pieces. Let me show you here. Let not be, I'm just quoting. I'm just saying it off head. Okay. Okay. He said, let's say, dear Grow Network family, as we have always said, your voice matters. We are happy to announce an update. The minimum mining count for withdrawal has been reduced to 4,000 G coin. Understand? Before it used to be 7,000. Now it's 4,000 G coins. If you can mine 4,000 G coins before 15th of every month, you are free. I say, listen, just read here. Listen, I'm not quoting, I'm showing you evidence here. Look at it. He said, to qualify, you must mine a minimum of 60 coins. At least 60 coins on at least 26 days out of every, that is 60 coins every day. Okay, so that you can hit 4,000 G coin before 15th of every month. And if you place withdrawal, some of us will be smarter than the owners of the project. If you place withdrawal on the 14th of every month, you will be disqualified. You have to wait on 15th, every 15th of every month. You place your withdrawal and use the correct wallet address. Some of us are making mistake. We'll go and use the wrong wallet address. I will come and blame the network, the system, that the Grow network are doing this, they are doing this, they are not saying my this. Why? The mistake is from us. So if you are placing your withdrawal, you have gotten 4,000 G network. Okay, make sure the wallet address you are placing for withdrawal is correct, and make sure you not place a withdrawal on 14th of every month. Make sure we have to wait 15th of every month. You cannot place a withdrawal, and once you place a withdrawal, in a short while you will get about 35 USDT will be forwarded to your wallet or so. Are you getting it? He said, we truly hope this makes it easier for everyone to mine at their own pace. Remember, this is free. See what I'm reading. Some of us, we don't read information. Remember, this is a free platform with no investment required. Do you hear that? Built to give every user a fair chance to grow and succeed. Thank you for being part of this journey with us. Oh, this is wonderful. Are you seeing it? Are you getting it? So that you will not be complaining. You will not be complaining. This, that. Okay? So, concerning their listing, then hear this and have peace. The Grow Network says their listing will be coming up around that December. No date yet. And if they couldn't meet up by December, that means they will open their withdrawal button for everyone to place withdrawal towards ending of December. Understand? So if they're going to list by December, this is this till September, they are going to tell us exchanges, they will be listing their token. So don't be in a haste. Keep mining. Be consistent in your mining. Be consistent in your mining so that you hit 4,000 G network G coin before 15th of every month, so that on the 15th of October that is coming, you can equally place your withdrawal, and in a short while it will be given to you. You will get it. You get a USDT. That is it. Let's have this understanding and have peace. Okay, that's the reason I said, let me make this video so that those that watch from the beginning to the end will have a concrete knowledge about what Grow Network is all about, and the reason why they have not been getting their withdrawal. Maybe you are placing before 15th of every month, who knows, or you might have been using a wrong wallet address, who knows. Cross check all the things, so cross check them before blaming Grow Network. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.